Hey, Teresa here with the Sterling Insurance Group. Today we're going to be talking about actual cash value versus replacement value. This is for auto or for homeowners insurance. Now, to let you know, ACV, or actual cash value, is a depreciated value of what it is that maybe you're insuring. So if it's your home or your roof, if you have ACV value on your roof, that means that if your roof is about 10 years old or even 5 years old, they can take the value of the roof new and be able to depreciate it by how many years it has been worn or how old it is. But replacement value specifically is the price to be able to replace that item. So if you have replacement value on your roof, then that would mean that if it takes $10,000 to be able to replace your roof, they're going to pay $10,000 for your roof. Now, deductibles always apply, so make sure that we do keep that in mind, but we always want to make sure that whenever you're buying insurance, that you're buying a replacement cost or an RCV policy. There is a big difference in cost between a replacement cost policy and an actual cash value policy. This is super important to know because sometimes if you're only talking to an insurance agent about price, then they might be selling you an actual cash value policy. We want to make sure you're protected here at the Sterling Insurance Group. Give us a call if you have any questions regarding your home or auto insurance, or if you need any other type of insurance. We'll be happy to help you. Make sure you have the best coverage and make sure that you have the best opportunity to make sure that you know exactly what you are getting for your money. My name is Teresa Kitchens. Give us a call at 972-964-4825. Again, my number here is 972-964-4825. Thanks, and have a really great day.